Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another lazy girl crochet method. This time I tried Untitled lazy girl crochet no leave out method with the middle part. What you'll see in the tutorial is that I cut the cap kind of like in the U part section so that I could have my natural parting out, and then pretty much I went in and crocheted the rest in as if natural. So that's pretty much what I did. I loved it. It turned out great. I actually wanted to try that with the last one that I did, but I just wanted to play it safe since I was new to the lazy girl crochet method. So I used longer hair. This hair is actually, it doesn't say how long it is. Hell, it doesn't say how long it is. Probably like a good 16-18 inches or so, but I use the Model Glance braid in the style Ocean Wave color 1B, and I love it. And this is pretty much similar to the very first crochet that I did that I inserted a picture of in the last tutorial, and I'll insert it in this one. So but this hair is a lot more silky, a lot more straight, like it doesn't have like that kinky texture to it, which is what I was going for, something soft and just silky looking. So I chose this hair, and I must say I'm a big fan of it. It doesn't tangle that bad, and it's super duper soft. So I ended up using like a good 4.5 packs of hair. I only used one bundle out of that very last pack, and so I have that stored away in case I need to go and fill in any gaps or anything like that. But yeah, I pretty much love it, and I might cut it. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to them when I can. But yeah, we're still rocking with the lazy girl crochet method. The hair was a little bit more expensive this time around. I paid maybe like $6 change per pack, so roughly 30 bucks for the hair, which is still not that bad, as opposed to buying $30 hair and then paying like $50, $60, $70 for it to get installed. So pretty much it's still a win-win situation. And yeah, so I'm pretty much gonna stop rambling here. I did 30-minute makeup method again, notorious because I have somewhere to be right now. Like I will leave all my makeup details in the description box, so be sure to check out the description box, as well as all the tools you need, the type of hair that I use. And yeah, so pretty much if you're looking for this specific hair, I couldn't tell you where exactly to get it. I got it from my local beauty supply store. If you live in the Greenville, North Carolina area, I went to Beauty World on Memorial. So that's where I got my hair from. Be sure to check out my previous uploads. Be sure to check out Diary of Art Major episode 5. Thank you guys so much for viewing, liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I hope to catch you guys in the next video.
If I was your woman, the things I do to you, but I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl,